Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado kebab. First, select 2 to 3 ripe yet firm avocados. You'll also need a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers and cherry tomatoes, plus a protein such as paneer or tofu. Ensure all your ingredients are fresh and ready for preparation. A good marinade is key, so prepare one that complements the avocado's creamy texture. Now let's assemble your kebabs. Carefully cut your avocados, bell peppers, and protein into roughly 1-inch cubes. This size helps them cook evenly and stay on the skewer. Thread the pieces onto your skewers, alternating avocado with other ingredients for a visually appealing and balanced bite. Remember to leave a small space, about 1/8 of an inch, between each piece. Cooking avocado kebabs requires a gentle touch. You can grill them over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning occasionally until lightly charred. Alternatively, bake them in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 15 minutes. Whichever method you choose, ensure you turn the skewers frequently to achieve even browning and thorough cooking on all sides. Once cooked, serve your avocado kebabs immediately for the best flavor and texture. They pair wonderfully with a fresh cilantro lime dipping sauce or a spicy sriracha mayo. Don't hesitate to get creative with your marinades. Try a smoky paprika blend or a zesty lemon herb mix. For an exciting twist, consider adding fruits like pineapple chunks to your skewers, offering a delightful sweet and savory contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.